What did you only realize years later? When I was 12, Mom took me shopping for new school clothes, which was a big deal because we were always broke. She told me to pick whatever I wanted, and I got so hyped trying on all these cool jeans and shirts. At checkout, her card got declined, and she looked super embarrassed, saying we'd come back another day. But as we were leaving, she suddenly turned around and told me to wait by the door. I watched her talk to the cashier and then go to the back room with the manager. She came out like 20 minutes later with our bags looking really tired and just said, "Don't tell your father about this," real quiet. It wasn't till years later I realized what must have happened and why she made that deal. I never told Dad, but I wish I could tell Mom how sorry I am she felt she had to do that for me.